If you have to mask off sensitive data from your dataset, say for example in this Excel spreadsheet I have a credit card number, I want to mask off the first 12 digit from the credit card number with an asterisk. This is how you do it. Say equal, double quote, and you're going to put 12 asterisks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Double quote, you're going to put n to concatenate, and you're going to use the function called write. Open parenthesis, select this cell, comma, 4 is a number of digits you're going to show, which means it's 9966. If you need 5 digits, you put 5 here. So once that's done, this is what it looks like. And to apply to all the rows, just double click on this square box here, and all the rows are applied with this formula. You can also change the asterisk to pound if you like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then there you go. And this technique can also be used to hide or mask things like social security number, phone number, or any other sensitive data you might have in your dataset.